It's still the middle of winter, but it's never too early to think of spring, which is why I'm going to be microwaving this baseball. Nobody has ever microwaved a baseball before, so I have no idea what it's going to do, but I have a feeling it's going to be really cool. And this baseball is every bit as American as Amelia, the American Idol microwave. Put this in like so, and let's get microwaving. It looks like Amelia knocked that baby out of the park. It's a hot contest right now. Cool it down a little. This was one hotly contested game, but it looks like Amelia won against the baseball. And she's gone. And it looked for a while like this experiment was going to strike out, but Amelia scored the winning run at the end, and as you saw, it turned out to be a sacrifice fly. Whoa! That's really a foul ball there. Don't even know if you can call that a ball. Whoa. It's still a little bit on fire. Wow. As you can tell from this, definitely not something you even want to think about doing at home under any circumstances. But the experiment itself was clearly a home run.